little Mega Man Pixel Pal guy. It's battery powered, lights up. The problem is that it's battery powered, and I mean, it might last for a decent amount of time. I don't know, because I don't want to just leave it on all the time. You know, I mean, I want it on all the time, but obviously don't want the batteries to run out. So I was thinking about how can I get this to have, you know, USB power. It only has two AAAs, so I think that should be doable. And this company, PDP, actually makes a little special backing here that has a USB port on it that allows you to take the batteries out, pop the special back in, and use USB to power it. But they don't make them anymore, and the one or two that I found that are available are being sold at crazy high, like $60 prices or something like that. I don't know. When I think I should be able to do it with just a few simple components. So this is what I'm looking at. I got these from Adafruit, little buck converters. Let's see. To take 5-volt and step down to 3.3. And then I got little USB-C female ports here. So I'm hoping to fit this little chip in there along with this with a little bit of dremeling, and hopefully it works. Alright, I'm going to use my bench power supply to set to 5 volts. Clip this onto the voltage input and ground. Okay, let's see if we're getting 3.3 meter right here. There actually is. You don't have to do anything with the enable pin. It just lets you turn it off if you want to set it low, which is nice. Okay, that's easy enough. Awesome. Okay, so I figured where I want to put it is basically lined up with the eye here. But I also need to kind of mark where, you know, where I'm going to start and finish cutting. And I don't necessarily want to get into the sticker if I don't have to. I think I have to get really close though, like as close as I possibly can. So this is just a little drill here. So that's the target. Got it in there. Oh, that's one thing I didn't think about. Uh-oh. Can't close it now. Might have been one reason why I should have used the other side. Put it over here. Okay, well, when I do the second one, I'm going to put it over here. So for this one, I'm going to have to cut into the plastic in here a little bit, unfortunately. See, can't do anything there. All right. Okay, nice. I do need to get a wire over to the other side for the negative. So I'll have to have a channel. So I'd have to cut this anyway. All right, this little thing is awesome. It's super powerful. Can't really illustrate to you how powerful it is, but it's USB-C rechargeable, and this is a little magnetic little nozzle to focus it. And this thing, it's loud, but it's awesome. Extremely powerful. I'll include some affiliate links where I'll get a little bit of kickback in the description too for some of the things that I'm using. Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 wires, a 3-volt wire off of this guy into here, and then a ground wire off of here into there. All right, here we go. I have USB-C plugged in. Pop that in there. And check this side and hit the switch. Yeah. Let me turn off the light real quick. Awesome. Hey, now I just need to tuck it all in there and I'm good. Okay, before I close it up, I want to remove these battery terminals I don't need anymore. Alright, for some reason I lost the clip, but I just wanted to make sure you saw this end result here. Got the USB port right here. Sticks out a little bit, but I don't know, that doesn't bother me. I think the next one, I have another one of these I'm going to have to do. I'm going to try to get it down here, if I can. Alright, so plug it in. I can't show you it standing up, but still stands up. It's not like the cable like pulls down on it or anything enough to knock it over, but having it lower would be a little bit better, I guess. And I'm going to turn the lights off. There it is.